Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're looking at something specific, just one piece of hardware. It's the A-Neuvideo ANI-POE-RM rack mount bracket. We want to analyze the real value beyond just what you pay initially. And get this, the MSRP was $49 now. It sells for $24.95. That's a steep drop. So the question is, when is a $25 bracket actually more like a system insurance policy worth way more?
That's exactly it. That's our mission today. We're going to unpack the whole ecosystem behind it, the commercial ties, the tech support, everything that justifies buying specialized gear from an authorized place like HDTV Supply. You're not just buying steel here, you're investing in infrastructure, really.
Okay, let's start with the actual hardware, the ANI-POE-RM. It's built to integrate A-Neuvideo's PoE extenders, right, like the ANI-0104POE series. Fits them neatly into standard 19-inch AV racks. Sources say it's precision-engineered, durable steel. But they also mentioned, and this seems important, it's TAA compliant.
And that TAA compliance, that's a huge deal for professional users, absolutely. TAA is the Trade Agreements Act. Basically means the product has to be made or significantly changed in the U.S. or a specific list of partner countries. For you, the listener, that translates to supply chain security. Compliance checks built right in, which, for big institutions, government jobs, high-security venues, it's often non-negotiable.
Gotcha. So beyond the physical bracket itself, there's this layer of compliance. But then there's the commercial side, the partnership aspect. HDTV Supply is a platinum-authorized reseller. And apparently they have this really tight CEO-to-CEO link with A-Neuvideo going back, over 20 years?
The 2002.
That's right, yeah.
A long-standing relationship.
But wait a second. Doesn't that sound a bit like vendor lock-in?
Yeah.
Are you just buying into their system, forced to use only their extenders with this bracket?
That's a fair question. And it could look like that if that relationship didn't translate directly into real, tangible benefits for the user, long-term benefits. The value proposition is actually pretty straightforward here. That exclusive 20-plus year partnership, it's what guarantees you get a 3-year A-Neuvideo warranty. And you get HDTV Supply's own free U.S.-based live telephone lifetime tech support.
Lifetime support. Okay.
Yeah, think about it. Something goes wrong Friday night, maybe before a big event. That immediate help, that's potentially worth much more than the $25 upfront cost.
Right, that makes sense. So the long-term support commitment, that's the real product you're buying into. And they also have things like same-day shipping if you order by noon Pacific, and a 30-day no-hassle return policy. Adds a bit of logistical comfort, too.
Exactly. Logistics matter. But there's another layer, maybe the most overlooked part of the value. It's not just physical support. It's the integration tools. We need to look at the hidden technical value, stuff system integrators really rely on.
Okay, let's talk digital then. Beyond the metal bracket, beyond the phone support lines, what software, what documentation comes with this to make it play nice with a complex AV setup?
This is where the real-time and money savings can kick in for professionals. They provide a lot of control system-specific documentation. We're talking RS-232 docs, GUI software, and really crucial integration drivers for the big platforms.
Like what specifically?
Well, you get dedicated support for iRule and Rumi, especially for their LCM products. And importantly, complete Control4 drivers, serial, IR, and PCPIP.
Control4 drivers. Okay.
For an integrator, having those pre-written verified drivers for a major system like Control4, that can save days, literally days of custom programming and debugging. It makes the whole system work together smoothly, right out of the box. That efficiency is key. So yeah, if we connect it all back, that $24.95 bracket, it's really just the entry ticket. It gets you into this whole comprehensive support and integration network. It's kind of the cost of assurance, especially for a professional job.
So our deep dive really shows how even a seemingly small, inexpensive part can be backed by this huge dedicated infrastructure.
It's fascinating. Okay, here's a final thought for you to maybe mull over or explore yourself. What percentage of an AV product's total value actually comes from the physical thing, the steel, the circuits, versus, the value tied up in those lifetime support contracts and those certified integration drivers that you need for a fast, reliable professional installation? Something to think